Today's session is about making multiplication stories, and these are the learning goals. I can use objects or pictures to find the total number of items in groups of the same size. I can solve problems involving the multiplication of whole numbers, and I can create multiplication stories. Are you ready? Great, so let's start. Okay, let's make a multiplication story. Look at the set of pictures. How many groups can you see? Right, there are 3 groups. How many puppies are there in each group? Correct, there are 3 puppies in each group. Now, is our story complete? No, that is right. We have to complete our story, and what is missing? Correct, the question. Okay, so let's create a question. How many puppies are there? Alright, so that you can answer the problem. Okay, so can we answer the problem? Yes. Okay, so this is our solution. Okay, so what will be our addition sentence? Great! We will be adding 3, another 3, and another 3. That is equal to 9. Correct. And then, how many 3's are there? 3. And 3 3's is equal to 9. Very good. And then let us write our multiplication sentence in symbol, or we can say it's our multiplication equation. 3 times 3 equals 9. Alright, and so let's go back to the problem. How many puppies are there altogether? Let's answer that question. Okay, so there are 9 puppies in all. Okay, very good. Let's have another story. Okay, let's complete this. How many groups of cupcakes are there? Correct. There are 2 groups. And how many cupcakes are in each group? Right, there are 5. And let's complete this by creating a question. How many cupcakes are there in all? So our story is complete. Let's now show our solution. Okay, addition sentence. Alright, very good. We have 5 plus 5 equals 10. And let's complete this. How many 5's are there? 2. 2 5's means 10. Yay! Very good. And then our multiplication sentence now in symbol. Our multiplication equation is, okay, the number of groups, 2. And then the number of objects, times the number of objects equals 10. Very good, children. And let's answer the question. How many cupcakes are there altogether? Right, there are 10 cupcakes in all, or altogether. Okay, let's have the last multiplication story. Complete this. Okay, how many plates? Correct. There are 4 plates. There are blank strawberries on each plate. What's the missing? How many? Right, there are 2 strawberries on each plate. And create a question. Alright, how many strawberries are there altogether? Okay, let's show the solution. Addition sentence will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Very good. So how many 2's are there? 4. 4 2's means 8. And then our multiplication sentence or equation, 4 times 2 equals 8. 4, remember, that's the number of plates or groups. And then 2 because there are 2 strawberries on each plate. And then the total. So our final answer is, there are 8 strawberries altogether. Alright, children, now I think you can solve this problem, this multiplication problem. Let's have the first one. Leah has 6 flower pots. Each flower pot has 5 flowers. How many flowers are there in all? So think. Okay? So to complete that equation, we will write the number of pots first. How many flower pots are there? 6. And how many flowers are in each flower pot? Right, 5. So 6 times 5 is? Skip count by 5, 6 times. Okay, 30. Very good. And so let's check if it's correct by using addition. Okay, we can add 5 6 times. So it's 30. Alright. So Leah has 30 flowers in all. Very good. Okay, let's have the last problem, children. Okay, Troy harvested 3 baskets of mangoes. Each basket has 6 mangoes. How many mangoes are there altogether? Okay, complete this one. Very good. So that is 3 times 6 equals? Correct, 18. So let's check by using addition. We can add 6 3 times, so that is 18. And the final answer, Troy harvested 18 mangoes all together. Okay, very good, children. Remember, multiplication is related to addition because it is repeated addition. You can check your answer in multiplication using repeated addition. Alright, so thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again in our next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that all notification bell and give a thumbs up or like. It means a lot. Thank you so much and bye. God bless you all.